Discover how to create your own lemongrass candles, a natural and effective insect repellent. Follow along as we guide you through each step of the process using simple ingredients. Additionally, we will showcase the video result including burn duration, different candle sizes, and overall appearance. Step 1. Preparation. Gather all the materials needed for this project in a clean and well-lit workspace. Materials needed: 3 cups of paraffin wax, 3 containers small, medium, large, 3 candle wicks, lemongrass. Step 2. Melting the wax. Place 3 cups of paraffin wax into a heat-resistant container and heat it on the stove for approximately 20 minutes or until fully melted. Step 3. Adding lemongrass. Once the wax is completely melted, prepare the lemongrass by cutting it. Add the lemongrass of the melted wax, allowing it to infuse for additional 5 to 10 minutes. Step 4. Infuse process. Monitor the wax and lemongrass mixture until it takes on a greenish hue. Step 5. Wick preparation. While the wax is infusing, prepare the candle wicks by attaching each one of a straw, placing them in the center of the candle container. Step 6. Pouring the wax. Once the wax has reached the designed infused level, carefully remove the lemongrass pieces from the mixtures. Pour the infused wax into each container, ensuring that the wicks remain in place. Step 7. Cooling and setting. Allow the candles to cool and set for approximately 1 hour or until completely solidified. Step 8. Tasting. Light each candle size and observe how long it takes for them to burn out. Final product. The lemongrass candles are now ready for use. Large candles stand the test of time, burning steadily for 12 to 16 hours. Medium candles illuminate for a duration of 8 to 12 hours. Small candles boast for 4 to 8 hours lifespan. The large candle can effectively repel up to 6 meters, the medium can repel up to 4 meters, and then small size can effectively repel 2 meters. Larger sizes are more effective. Size has no significant impact. Smaller size are more effective. Traditional spray repellent versus lemongrass candles. Our lemongrass candle offers impressive effectiveness and convenience compared to traditional spray repellents. While spray often need frequent reapplication and can be inconvenient, our candles provide continuous protection hassle-free. Plus, its pleasant aroma make it a preferred option. What's more, its eco-friendly natural ingredients like lemongrass essential oil, ensuring a bad-free environment without harming the planet.